TimeWaver Pro Basic Training Script Lesson 4 Databases Video A Overview System Databases. The databases form the heart of the TimeWaver system. They contain a structured summary of all the information that you can send to the client by analysis or manual list. All databases delivered by us are located in the System folder. They are constantly updated by us, and therefore you can only read from the System folder, because anything you would write there would be overwritten with the next database update. You create your own databases in the My folder. How this works is shown in the next video. Now let's look first at the System databases. They are clearly arranged by topic. The best thing to do after this video is to browse through the databases and see what interests you. Basically, we have the same arrangement as with the list. On the left is the database tree, and on the right the contents of the selected database appear. If you select a folder, the right window remains empty. With the properties, you open a window showing different settings. We will explain these in the next video when we create our own databases. You can use the search function to search the databases for specific topics. We will deal with the search window in detail in video C. It offers an interesting function to create your own databases from the search results. Here we use the search function first in navigation mode to find databases with the keyword. On the left you can see the number of results and where the keyword appears in the databases. Of particular interest to us are the database titles and the fields desired state and desired state description. In the middle field you can see the number of results found with the keyword. If you click on one, you will see the corresponding database on the right. Click on it to highlight it in the database tree and close the search window. Now you can view the database found. You cannot import anything into the System folder, as you can see from the disabled icon. However, you can export any database or even entire folders. You can import these into the My Documents folder and edit them there. In particular, this allows you to create a folder in which you can collect your favorites from the System databases. This is particularly useful with databases from which you like to load manual entries. In the Favorites folder, these databases are always at your fingertips. It's like your tool or medicine chest, so to speak, in which you have your most important utilities and tools ready. As an exercise, go through the System databases and select at least 5 databases as favorites. Export these databases. It is best to create your own Windows folder. Then create a new folder called Favorites, Toolbox, First Aid, or similar. Then import your favorites there. You can now revise these so that they are suitable for manual selection. For example, by deleting unnecessary entries to make the database slimmer. You can then print out the finished databases. The print function is identical to the one in the list menu, except that there is no logo and no branding here. You can also set the font size of the entries here.